Boar's Head is one of the most iconic abseil routes in the Blue Mountains. Today, my wife and I decided to take on 3 of its pitches, and not everything went to plan.
Why did you take me here? I hate today so much.
The walk down to the start of Boar's Head gives an amazing view of the Megalong Valley. It's an easy walk through the bush and the views are unreal. This is one of those hikes where the adventure really begins when you clip in. Gives a big smile.
Just another day off.
We've done plenty of hikes together and a handful of abseils, but doing a multi-pitch abseil is a whole different challenge, especially when fear kicks in. The walk around to the gap of Boar's Head doesn't prepare you for just how breathtaking it actually is. The movement is through a narrow constriction with a sheer drop below, which can be absolutely terrifying for some and amazing for others. The narrow constriction means you need to shimmy your way through to the second abseil pitch.
I hate you right now.
You'll love me at the end. Alright, put your foot there.
Well, I'm not leaving here without getting a photo of us up here.
Alright, so
It is cool, but I am very nervous. I know that I'm safe, but I'm nervous. It's cool. I'm very impressed, but I'm absolutely shooting bricks. Like, something goes wrong.
Alright. Once our line was set, we had to abseil through the narrow gap, which made for an interesting challenge. The movement through the restriction was definitely easier for one of us. Big ass got to fit through here. Climbing through the narrow restriction and eventually abseiling through it reminded us that this adventure wasn't just about adrenaline, it was about the trust between the both of us. Ready, here it comes. Right. Eventually we got to the final abseil pitch. The view from this pitch has a full exposure to the Megalong Valley, and the view from the start of the pitch can leave you questioning where it will end. Despite having a heap of fear to overcome, Em was able to make it through all 3 pitches, something that she and I are both equally proud of. The walkout was meant to be through 3 exposed traverses. However, we missed the final traverse and decided to take the long route around all the headland. Boars Head gave us more than just a thrill. It gave us a story, one about fear, support, and the kind of adventure that brings people closer. If you're thinking about doing this route, be prepared. It can be technical, exposed, and unforgettable. And if you've ever faced fear in a cliff, drop us a comment. We'd love to hear your story. We'll see you out on the trail.